Everybody, my name is Franklin the Risk Lover. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel right now. I've literally started an episode on my channel and I want you to watch me every day. In this particular episode, I am going to share, or in this series I am going to share my trading performance with you every week. Okay, so when the week ends, I'm going to make a video to share my trading performance with you. That is what I'm going to do in this particular video. I want you to stay tuned, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to share some few trading nuggets with you. Then after we share the trading nuggets, we are going to move directly into the chart. Then I'm going to give you what I did the previous week. I'm going to show my performance with you. Then we can zoom into other things. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's move on. Now, this is the first thing that I want to tell you as a forex trader. If you pay attention to it and you incorporate it in your trading, I believe it's literally going to help you very, very, very much. The first thing that I want to let you know is that as a forex trader, we are here to look for opportunities in the financial market and smash the market. That is the first thing that I want you to know. We are here to look for opportunities. We are here to look for opportunities and smash the market or hit the market hard. One of the main things people lose money in forex trading is that every day when they come to the chart, they want to take a trade. It does not work that way. If I tell you that trading, I'm going to give you, or we are going to take a trade every day, well, it can happen. There's a possibility, but there's a possibility that it might not happen that way. The reason why I'm saying that is we are trading a market. We do not control the market. We have big players controlling the market, and they move the market to and fro. And in the process of moving the market to and fro, they create opportunities for we, the retail traders, to be part of the market. Now, if the market has not presented an opportunity for you, how then do you trade? How then do you trade? If the market has not presented an opportunity for you, how then do you trade? So let's say you start your trading day on Monday, you open your laptop and the market has not given you an opportunity, or you haven't seen your setup. How then do you trade? So, as forex traders, if you don't want to lose money in the financial market, wait for your analysis to show, or wait for your setups to show, then you take the trade. Like I said, we are here to look for opportunities. We are not here to trade everything. We are here to look for the most probable opportunities to be part of the market. That is the first thing that I want you to pay attention to. So I want you to show up every day. Showing up is very good as a forex trader. Show up every day. Look at what is happening in the financial market, but you are not there to take a trade until you see what you are looking for. Until you see what you are looking for. That is the most important thing. Now, the second thing I want to talk about, which most forex traders make that mistake, is that when you are trading, for instance, let's say you are an SMC trader where you trade demand and supply zone. When you are trading, you are not trading what you think, trade what you see. That is the most important thing. Trade what you see, don't trade what you think. Now let's move on to the charts and let me do a scenario for you. For instance, we have let me say for instance we have a zone over here. Let's say we have a zone over here. Now maybe this is your supply zone and you are waiting for price to tap into your supply zone. Then you are going to look for sales to come down. Now, this is the mistake most traders make. They trade what they think. What they think. What they think, but they don't trade what they see. So this is the mistake they are likely to make. Now, when price jump into their supply zone, all that they are thinking is that once price has jumped into a supply zone, they must start selling, or they must start putting their positions into the market for sales. When price jump into their supply zone, this is what they do. All they do is the moment price jump into their supply zone, they just start dropping their positions into the market and start looking to make profit. This is what they do. They are trading what they think. They think that the market is in a supply zone and there should be a sell. No, it does not happen that way. You are not the one controlling the market. Retail traders, we just make about 5% of the entire market. Now, when we jump into a supply zone, what you have to do is to look for your confirmations. Your confirmations are very important. The moment we jump into a supply zone, don't just throw your positions into the market. When you do that, then you are trading what you think, but you are not trading what you see. What you are seeing is telling you that price is still going up, and you are putting your positions in the market. That is what you are seeing. Price is not showing um any form of, how do I say it, weakness, and you are throwing your positions into the market because you think the place is a supply zone and price must sell. No, it has not behaved, or it has not worked that way. You wait until the market starts giving you some form of weaknesses, then you are looking for your confirmations, then maybe you enter the market around these areas for yourselves. Okay, that is how we trade the financial market. That is how we trade the financial market. So don't trade what you think, trade what you see. If you are thinking that price must sell and the market has not given you any reason to sell, stay away from the market. So these are the two major nuggets I am giving you today as we move on to what I literally mean for today. Now, so let's jump onto my trading performance this week. This week, let's jump onto my trading performance. Let's see how I performed this week. Now, I am going to start. Let's move on to um CHF JPY, my favorite pair. Yeah. Now, when we move on to CHF JPY, I want you to pay attention over here. Now, because this is my first video in this episode or in this series, I'm going to go back maybe 2 weeks before I come back into this week. Okay, so when I put it 2 weeks ago, I literally, today is today this trade, this was a Friday, so Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So let's move 2 weeks before time. Okay, so when we move 2 weeks before time, CHF JPY, that week was a busy week for me. So on the CHF JPY, I literally took only one trade on this currency pair. And why did I take this trade? You know, CHF JPY is extremely bullish. If CHF JPY is extremely bullish, then I'm looking for opportunities to buy into the market. I'm looking for opportunities, not to trade anything, but I'm looking for opportunities to buy into the market. That is what I was literally doing. Okay, so I drew my lines and I finally found a demand zone, and price hit the demand zone, respected the demand zone, and I was looking for mitigations, and I took the trade. If you don't understand mitigations and demand zones, just send me something or ask me any question in the comment section that I'm going to reply to it. So that's the only trade I took on CHF JPY, and this was my last analysis. That was Friday, but Friday I didn't want to take this trade because the week had ended. Now I took additional trades in addition to other trades, in addition to the CHF JPY, which is the New Zealand JPY. I love the New Zealand JPY because they are moving in the same direction. Okay, so the same thing, I was looking for a demand zone. I looked for the demand zone, then I looked for the demand zone, then price respected the demand zone. I saw some form of liquidation. That is my favorite entry after liquidation. I saw that entry after liquidation, then I took this major trade. It made me 2%, and along the line I saw my entry criteria within the trend. I took an additional trade that also made me 2% on my account. So these two trades made me 4% in addition to the CHF JPY trade that I have shown you for the past 2 weeks. By the grace of God, I have been on a winning streak, which I have made more than 8% on my account. And finally, I took a major swing trade. You know, whatever thing that I'm showing you over here happened on my Telegram channel. Whatever thing I sent the trace to my Telegram channel. Let me show you something over here. I sent all the signals to my Telegram channel. So if you are not part of my Telegram channel, I'm going to put the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. Try and be part of the Telegram community. Now the Telegram is still loading lane trades. Now you see lane trades over here. I put all the signals before I take the trade. I'll put the signals over there and I share. I see I put the signals over there. Then I share my account results on the platform. So I want you to be part of the platform. So that was my trading week. But you know what? I took another trade, and this trade is a major swing trade. The reason why I took this trade, in addition to all the trades that I took, was that you know that um in this particular trade, the fundamentals had aligned with the technicals, and when it happens that way, I don't joke with trades like that. So after taking these two major trades, in addition to the CHF JPY, I think the Wednesday or the Thursday, then I took a trade on USD Mexican peso. USD Mexican peso. USD Mexican peso. And this trade is also literally moving so well. And this place is my first target. I know this place is a demand zone. So I'm hoping that price touches this area. Then I will take my profit from this particular trade. But this trade, I'm literally expecting something that 4%, but I'll be taking some of my positions. I'll be scaling out small on the trade. So that was my trading week from Monday to Friday. From Monday to Friday and the previous week. From Monday to Friday, I took 3 major trades, and all those trades were winning trades. That was a very good week for me, and next week is going to be a super amazing week. I want you to stay tuned to whatever thing that I am doing over here. Now let's see what is going to happen next week on USD CHF. USD CHF, I'm watching this pair. I'm giving a free signal on USD CHF. You know, on USD CHF, the technicals have aligned with the fundamentals. As far as USD CHF is concerned, the USD is weak against the CHF. So along the line, or along the week, I'm expecting a fall from here or a fall from this zone, or anything around any area around this area. That is what I'm expecting, God willing, next week. And on the CHF JPY, where's the CHF JPY? On the CHF JPY, there's no need, there's no need to look for sales. Retail traders at times we make the mistake of, like, we think that price is at an extreme, so we it's supposed to pull back. No, when price was here, price was at an extreme. Then boom, we had this move. So I'm expecting more move to the upside. So all that I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for a pullback. If it happens, I'm going to hit the market very hard, and I am going to make profits on those trades. So that is the market recap for this particular week. Okay, for this particular week, that was last week. So stay tuned. I'm going to bring you an update on how I maneuvered my way through the following week that we are coming to step in. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel right now. See you. Peace.